Hello there, welcome to the October 2020 paper. Here we're looking at question 11. So a circle C1 has equation x squared plus y squared plus 18x minus 2y plus 30 equals 0. The line L is the tangent C1 at the point minus 5, 7. Find an equation for the line L. Okay, so first of all, I think what I'll do is I'll double complete the square on this. So x plus 9 squared plus y minus 1 squared. I'm going to have to now subtract 81 and subtract 1, but then we've got the plus 30 here. Let's move all of that guff onto the other side. So x plus 9 squared y minus 1 squared equals minus 82 plus 30 minus 52, 52. So it's going to be 52 there. So the equation of this circle, or a diagram for this circle, is going to be 9 to the left and 1 up. In fact, my diagram is not going to be able to cope with that. Let's draw it over here. Minus 9 to the left and 1 up. And it's going to be a circle with radius root 52, so it's going to be somewhere like this. So we are minus 9, 1 is the coordinate here, and we want to find the tangent at minus 5, 7. So it'd be roughly up here, minus 5, 7. So that means I need to find the tangent of the equation of this line. Now, first of all, what I'll do is I'll work out the gradient of this line and then do a perpendicular on it. So the gradient of that line there, if I go from the centre to the point on the circle, it's going to be going up 6 on the y-axis and up 4 on the x-axis. So it's going to be a gradient of 3 over 2. That's the line for the radius, but therefore the tangent gradient is going to be minus 2 over 3. So therefore it's going to be y equals minus 2 over 3x plus c, and now let's plug in the coordinates of the points that it goes through, minus 5, 7. So it's going to be 7 equals minus 2 times minus 5, that would be 10 over 3 plus c. Taking it onto the other side, that would be 21 over 3, so now be minus 11 over 3 equals c. So therefore it's y equals minus 2 over 3x minus 11 over 3. But, so no, it's not minus 11 over 3, it's just 11 over 3, positive 11 over 3, because it's 21 over 3 on this side, take away the 10, yeah, 11 over 3, positive 11 over 3. So let's now move everything all onto the same side and put it into this form here, and times everything by 3 as well. It's going to be 2x plus 3y, and then minus 11 once the 11 gets moved onto the other side, equals 0. So there we are, that's the answer for question A once you've done a bit of rearranging. Let's now move on to part B. A different circle has equation of this expression here. Let's just quickly factorise it. X minus 4 squared minus 16, and on the y variable it's going to be y plus 6 squared minus 36, and then we've got the plus k equals 0. So if we move that onto the other side, it's going to be x minus 4 squared plus y plus 6 squared equals, combine these two bits together, you'll get 52 minus k. And given that C2 lies entirely in the fourth quadrant, find the range of values of k. So let's visualize what we've got going on here. It's going to have a coordinate of 4, 6. So it's going to be down 4. So it's not going to be down 4, it's going to be 4 to the right and then down 6. And it wants to lie entirely in this fourth quadrant. So we don't want it to be hitting any of the axes. Now, given that it's only 4 this way and 6 this way, we need to be more careful of the hitting the y-axis than hitting the x-axis. So what we don't want this to be is a radius of 16 or less. I mean a radius of 4 or less. So what I mean by that is that 52 minus k is going to have to be less than 16. So therefore, if we now do a bit of rearranging on this, it's going to be move the k onto the other side and move the 16 onto the other side. So take away 6, you're down at 46, and then take 36. So therefore, k has to be bigger than 36. But what we also don't want is for the radius to be anything less than 0. So we also must have to make sure that this expression here is not less than 0, or it's positive. So therefore, k has to be less than 52. So therefore, k is going to be a number that's going to be in between 36 and 52. And there we are, that's the answer for this question here. So that's worth 9 marks in total for question 11 there. Let's now move on to question 12.